What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Check that out. Working on Timmy's G35. What are we doing today, buddy?
We just gotta get some rotors so I don't drive off a mountain cliff.
There you go.
Yeah.
So rotors and brakes, right?
Rotors and brakes, since we're down there, might as well.
All right. So we're gonna be doing all four, right? All four of them. All four brakes and rotors all the way around, because Timmy needs to be safe. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. Our G35 easy brake job episode. Well, not brake job, more than a brake job. Rotors and brakes. So yeah, let's get to work. Woohoo! Here's all the new stuff. These are nice. These are for the back. And we got the front ones. What are you gonna put on? You're gonna put on Shakira?
Shakira!
Yeah, Tim's favorite
My favorite artist.
my favorite artist is Shakira.
Oh, you know it.
Oh man, oh man.
Voice of an angel.
We gotta get the
Work on my car.
what are you doing right now, Ship?
Practicing on the brake, the hard brake lines.
Oh yeah, cause let's see what's going on right now. These little guys.
I need to do the last end, the fitting right there.
Alright, first things first, we need to get a jack. I don't know where it's at. Oh yeah, it's over here by the 240 from the other day. Let's get this jack. Look at that 240, baby. It's almost done. Almost done. But it's G35 time. You're like, no, no it's not. No, it's not. Good? Alright, I'm gonna let it down. Watch your peckers. One by one. You found it?
Yes, sir.
That would suck if we couldn't find it, huh?
Always know where your key is.
Always know. At least you know you have it, and then we can put it in your glove box or something. What's wrong? Got all nice and exposed now. That's a tube. Oh yeah. I don't know. Those are right.
I think the back ones are okay.
Yeah, it'll just be your front ones.
Front ones are right.
But yeah, I'll take care of the other side right now. Go ahead and get your stuff's on the other side over there. I'll take these guys off right now. Take off this one bolt down here, which is a 14 on the bottom. I had to use this little wrench because I think this little arms get stuck in the way, and my ratchet was at an angle and I didn't want to do that. So easily popped it off. And I'll loosen this guy right now. Definitely make sure you take off your e-brake because your calipers are going to be hard to get off. Oh, I can't do it. I can't get it. Damn, man. How'd you do it? How'd you get it so okay, there we go. Got it. Oh man. So I got that bolt off right here. Just pulled it through. And then your calipers pop up. And then you see the old brake pads. We'll pull those off. And then we'll get to the next set of bolts that hold on the actual caliper and the bracket and stuff. So we have the brake pads off and everything. The next thing you're gonna want to do, see that bolt right there? There's one right there, and there's one right there. We'll pull those two off, and I believe they are a 19. Let me see it. Yeah, 19. So we'll pull those two off right now, and then we'll be able to pull off your old rotor. All right, so I pulled off the two bolts that held it in the back right there. I held on the caliper bracket, and yeah, right there on the back side. So I'll put it up here, and then it should just pop right off, no problem. Let's see. Let's see if I can do one hand. Yep, there you go. Got it. Got everything exposed, and you're good to go to replace it. Something's going on the other side. What's going on over there? I got my side off.
Get this bottom one down.
Oh, mijo. I'll take care of it right now. Watch. I'll take it off, watch. I got it. I got it. I'll get it. A little Thor's hammer.
Or the crap of Gus.
Sell.
See, you learned something from all this, po' boys?
There you go. Woo! Got it. Told you. It's me and little baby Thor's hammer.
Now do the top one.
Oh, the top one needs to come on. So?
Yep.
On good. Alright, I'll do it right now. Such a weird angle.
Nice.
Yeah, good. All good. Woo! See, easy job, man. I know what I'm doing.
I can work on G35,
That's
that's
I know
nothing.
what's up. I can work on cars. I just make it look like I don't know how to. It's entertainment, yeah. I hope everyone enjoys it.
It's all scripted. Every fuck up we've had has just been
It's
scripted.
all been planned. Trying to
This is a scripted
YouTube
taping via YouTube channel.
trying to create drama for you guys,
Yeah.
you know.
That'd be too easy and boring.
Yeah, I didn't want to do that for everyone. And boof! Shout out boof!
What's gonna happen today's episode?
Oh.
And the rotor.
Whack it. It's got a screw on it.
The other one did too. Came right off. Beat it up a little bit. Loosen it up. Boof! Come on, man. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Got it, baby. Hee-hee.
All right.
Wow. Wow.
Something's going smoothly. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm doing it. See? I know what I'm doing, guys. That's good stuff. All right, let's
Where the crap
we gotta spray it down, then we'll get the new stuff, and then we'll get the stuff done, man. Easy breezy. All right. Well, here's the passenger side. I already installed the bolt up here, and then the other one that's and this one right here. So I got the two brackets bolts on right now. The next thing to do, I need to compress the caliper, push it back, and then put the new brake pads on, and this side will be good. Only took a few minutes. Super easy process, even you could do it at home. So what I did right here, I just used a C-clamp and the old brake pad to push in the piston right there. So what I did was just compress it in, and then I'll loosen it, and then I'll be able to fit the new brake pads there, close it up, tighten it down, and we're good. And take a little breather, a little PB&J time. Super icy. How's it going along, buddy?
Greasing up.
That's it. Then you're good to go, huh? And then we're good. Woo-hoo. We're done with the rears. Timmy's just throwing on the rear tires right now. And then after we're done with that, we'll drop it and work our way to the front. So you got the second one?
Yeah.
The top one, huh? But pretty much it's the same method where you take off that one bolt. It's pretty much like you just did in the back, just in the front this time. Super easy. Just different size bolts in the front. You got the 22s for the big bolts that hold the bracket on. And then was this the regular size one for this one, right? The 14? Or what was it?
Yeah, it's 14.
Yeah, so 14s right here and 22s for the bracket. Pull this off in a second, spray it down, show you one more time, and bippity boppity boop. What's going on, buddy? The tough one?
This is the hard one yet.
Do it.
Damn, it does not feel like it's coming loose.
Are you lefty loosey or righty tightening it? Oh, got it, dang. That's a beefy boy on there, huh?
Yeah. I'm doing Jug. Let's do
Is that the
bottom.
first one?
That was a harder one, so this one should be hopefully.
Those are the 22s?
Yeah. I'm pushing against the check stand.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Pretty much the fronts, you sprayed it down. Always gotta install it. It's like the same process with the back. The rear is how we put everything, take the bracket off, and pop it all on. You're good. There we go. And we'll lower the bracket down, put the two 22 bolts on, all the bracket, brake pads. We're good to go. You gonna go over it? And then I'll hold it up. You got it?
I think so.
Alright. Woo-wee! There's your finished product, everybody. Everything's all on. Everything's all greased up. Nice and solid now. All tightened down. All we gotta do is throw the tire on, and we're good to go. And that is that. The car is done. Put it on the ground right now. And we're gonna go give it a nice little test drive. Because there's a break-in period for these brake pads that he bought. And we're gonna grab some grub. You guys wanna grab some grub?
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go. How was your process? You okay with your process?
50% complete.
All right.
One's not leaking, one is.
Oh, so not bad. You did one, failed on one, but that was his first time doing that. So, I mean, not bad, whatever. We have an idea on how he's gonna fix the other one, so we'll do that again another day. And then the 240, if you saw the last episode, then you know the progress on it right now. It's almost there. So just stay tuned for some more stuff. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, say what's up like always, and give me a big old thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I'll definitely see you guys next time. Woohoo! Little bonus content. Woo! Joey.
Hey, I'm not busy, so I can hang out now.
Right? He wants to hear the car, he hasn't heard it.
Nope.
Audrey hasn't heard it either.
Alright, L.
Yeah. Let's see their reactions. Here, you do reaction video.
I'm gonna do a rage reaction, because I wasn't here to help to start it. Shoot it down in my butt.
Oh.
Right when it starts. So I get a real reaction. Oh! Oh! Here, let's all be in frame. Audrey, get over here.
Okay.
There we go.
You see each other?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a line.
Oh yeah, I'm at the end.
Hold on to your butts.
You gotta have a cigarette in your mouth. More gas! Well, you're missing a Cadillac converter. That's not gonna pass smoke.
Still pretty damn loud.
That's
It's pretty nice.
That's great. That's crazy.
super fucking loud.
I approve.
You approve? You like it? Yeah. Well.
Now we gotta have a rev off when I get my car started.
That's cool. I love that, man. I love turning that shit on.
Now let's Neutral drop it. Or
Do it.
clutch drop it. That'd be cool. You like it?
That's a terrible angle.
You're gonna have to do a terrible face.
Underneath my chin. Yeah, man. Hey, man.
Check the monopolies. Alright. Revving at the speed of light. I'm just a poor boy whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please let my cars run for a day.
All day down.